Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss 2 and 3 more topics which are related to table. I'm Indrajit, lesson 4, working on tables. So now here I have to tell you about merging, splitting, table header, what's the use of them. So first we will insert a table. You can take any number of rows and columns. Like this is we call this grid method and we call it insert method. Suppose I have to want 5 columns in this row. So you can increase by using tab key also. And this icon we call cross arrow. When you click on cross arrow, you can select all rows. So here I am going to tell you about the merging. Suppose you want to merge, select all cells, right click and click on merge cell. When you merge, it means you are combining two or more cells in a one big cell. So you can merge it also like this. And suppose you want to merge both rows, select both rows, click merge cell. So here you can write heading. Yeah, we call it table header. Table header tells you about the table. What the title of the table. So this is very important. So like this you can create a title for your table. If you want, you can write outside of the table also. You can write above the table also, but this is fine. You are writing everything inside the table, so you can copy it. So all information you can move one place to another. So this is a table header. Now this is a resize. You can resize your table, small, big, you can do. This is a cross arrow, you can select. Second thing, if you want, you can merge two column into one cell. Be careful, one cell, look like this. If I control Z, undo. If you want, you can select two rows, you can merge together. So here it's not a foundation, means you can merge two cells, you can merge two rows or more rows, you can merge all rows, you can merge all columns. So it is according to your need you have to do. So suppose now this is I have this row and I want to split cells. Click it. How many columns you want? Suppose I want 5 columns because earlier this was 5 columns. And how many rows? 2 rows. Click. So again you can find your table. Suppose this one. Where is my cursor? You want to split in many cells. Like rows should be 1 and inside it you want to get 5 columns like 1 2 3 4 5. So like this you can use a split cell and merge cell options. And one more thing for the coloring, select the background, means table, select layout, sorry, design, shading option. With the help of shading option you can select the background color. Okay, and you suppose select this, go to border, all border, choose the thickness like this. If you click anywhere, that cell will become big. Control Z, because I want to just increase the thickness. Select. You can select the type also. You will get pencil like this, like this, like this. Okay. Yes. So it is your manually you can do, but there is no need. So we don't have to do. So here main thing is that you can change the background. There is a pen color. With the help of pen color you can change the border color, table style, or this is the table border. What you want, all border, but first you will have to select all border like this. So you can format your table. One more thing here, I want to tell you the difference between draw table and insert. When you use insert, it will ask you the number of rows and columns like this. But in a draw table, when you click draw table, it will give you a pencil like this. Now you can create table like this. Okay, and now I have a single, now like this column, like this column, like this column, like this column, automatic, like this, row, oh, sorry, column, 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 column. It is your choice, means you are manually creating table. I like this option, but I use very less. So now table is ready. So you have this method also, it is up to you. And third method, I have many methods. Insert, total we have 5 method. Draw table, Excel spreadsheet we won't discuss. And quick table. Quick tables means you have ready-made tables already you have, just directly you have to make it, use it. Now you can modify according to your need. You need all border, you can take. So according to your need you can modify. So it means you have predefined tables and you can modify. So thank you everyone for watching this video. And if you have doubt, please ask your problems on my personal window. Thank you everyone.